this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add transitions in Davinci Resolve 17. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import another clip into the timeline so we can have a transition between this clip and the next clip. So what I need to do is click on File and then Import Media. Go to my clip wherever it's located on my computer. That'll load it up into the clip bin and then I can drag it into the timeline. Now I'm going to add a transition between this clip and that clip. So what I need to do now is I need to come to the top menu bar over here and click on Effects Library. And then over here you want to click on the toolbox. So if it's looking like that, just click on the drop down menu. And then you can see underneath toolbox it says Video Transitions. And I can click on that and you have a whole list of transitions that you can now include into your video. So for this example, I'll use a cross dissolve. So all you need to do is press on it with your mouse and then drag it into that space right over there. So you can see now a little rectangle box where the transition is. So if I now just play this clip, now my frame rate is a bit messed up because I am recording the video, but you can see a kind of cross dissolve. It shouldn't lag if you're not recording. So I'll just add another one. So to delete this transition, I can right click on it and then just click on cut. And then I'll add another transition. Let's just go with a radial wipe and drag it into there. Then I'll just play this. You can see the radial wipe there, and that's basically all you need to do. So that is how you add transitions in Davinci Resolve 17. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.